Let us study the basics of reflection. How do we define reflection? When a beam of light falls on a surface, a part of it is returned into the same medium. This phenomena is called reflection of light. Or we may define reflection in other way: bouncing back of light into the same medium is called reflection. We know light is a source of energy which enables us to see objects. How does light help us to see objects? Objects that are around us reflect the light that falls on them. This reflected light reaches our eyes and the object becomes visible. There are basically two types of reflection: regular reflection and irregular or diffused reflection. In regular reflection, parallel rays are reflected back parallel to each other, while in irregular or diffused reflection, parallel rays are not reflected back parallel to each other. As a result, in regular reflection, we get a clear and sharp image, whereas in irregular or diffused reflection, no clear or sharp image is formed. For example, regular reflection in case of a mirror, while the reflection that takes place from a wall is an irregular or diffused reflection. The most common reflecting object that we see is a mirror. Let us understand how a mirror is made. A transparent glass sheet is taken. One side of the glass sheet is silvered. Silver is an extremely good reflector of light. But silver, due to exposure to moisture and oxygen, becomes black. To avoid this, we apply a layer of paint. So one side of the glass sheet is now the silvered surface or the painted surface. The glass sheet on the other side is now polished. By polishing, it becomes extremely smooth and we are ensuring a regular reflection. So now we have on the other side the polished surface or the reflecting surface. Now let us understand what are the terms used in reflection. Now that our reflecting object is ready with us, we have one side as the polished surface or the reflecting surface. The other side we have the painted surface. A ray of light which falls on the reflecting object is called the incident ray. The point on the reflecting object where the incident ray falls is called the point of incidence. After striking the reflecting object, the incident ray goes back into the same medium, and now it is called the reflected ray. At the point of incidence, we draw a hypothetical line which is perpendicular to the reflecting object. This is called the normal. The angle formed between the incident ray and the normal is called the angle of incidence, and the angle formed between the normal and reflected ray is called the angle of reflection. Thank you.